Gee, I'm in a video mode today, aren't I? I'm doing something. I'm doing multiple things. This guy's all finished. This amazing motor. And now what I'm working on just started an hour ago, was it? Getting this organized. It's an electron microscope. Putting it back together in my fashion. I got another purpose for the whole thing, so I got all my tools out, nuts and bolts sorted over there. So I got took this off, realigned it perfect, bolted that in there, and then put this back in to my chronometer actually. And I have other components to put in these spots here and here. Do that tomorrow, I guess. Maybe. We'll see. This one here, you gotta take these apart because I put this in, but it comes out. And you can see where the hole is going to take this cover off. Put the cap screws in there and screw it on. Then put the, very heavy, this piece on again. Wow. What do we got here anyway? Yeah, I don't know if I took that apart. I usually save unique things like this. I think probably a black plastic cap. But it'll both on the side here. It's to focus everything, electron beams, all that cool stuff in these contraptions. That goes right in this area right here. So, screw in. Okay. I do have the mounting area, but I'm not using the mounting area. It's all in parts and pieces and packed away somewhere, so I'm just doing something totally different here. So I got all this to screw together too. So I found all the parts. Very nice metal, very heavy too. But I'm using it for another purpose actually. Just got inspired to do it for some unknown reason. So I'm going nuts. Oh dear, Major. I say. So here's all my cap screws, heads and things, and metric fine and coarse thread. Lots of this stuff. So I'm having my fun in my insanity, but anyway. Oh, I know, I should be doing something like levitating something and working on that. Oh, no, I go around, make my rounds like a doctor. You know? Eventually I'll get there, but I'm not out to prove anything. Oh, well. I'm just an over-glorified junk collector. Come on, give me a break, will you guys? Jeez. Now, this one I put together, too. And that's the head of it, top of it. I do all kinds of crazy things. What the hell? Come on, give me a break. I remember Leo at North Star Salvage. I was there all day in the snow, and he put his hand on me there and said, "Come on, sit down, have a drink of rum. You're gonna get, super cold and pass out or something." So I sit by the fire, and I did. I had my rum. There was a oil drum full of junk they were burning off all the insulation off the copper. So I remember that day as clear as a bell. Wow. I've been doing this ever since I was a kid, the scrapyards. Burrard Junk was that my first scrapyard in North Vancouver when I was a little guy. I found 2 bus bars of pure copper. I decided to trade them in, and I did, and I got money. And they taught me how to clean the metal, too. That was a long, geez, that's a long, that's a little guy, gee. But anyway, I have fun doing scrapyard stuff. Luckily, I have 2 scrapyards around here. One in Santa Rosa and the other in Petaluma, the famous hardware store. I keep forgetting that name because it's Italian, I think. I spent all day there, and they will deliver it. I had a delivery a couple months ago. So anyway, I'm going on and on and on and on and on. Pressure's up, Sparky. No, that's gravimetric tension is on. What the hell? That's kind of strange. Am I seeing a little bit of off-gravity tilt there? Oh, that's a bit weird. They're gravitometers. Using chips for measuring the swaying of the ship and all that. But two of them on the same course. I wonder what's going on now. Kind of weird. Oh well. I don't know. It's kind of funny. No, I haven't doing anything. Whew. Huh. I don't know. I didn't know that. I don't think they're that sensitive, but you never know. Mechanical type gravitometers, they do have them. Used to be two heavy balls pivoted with rotating and turning and twisting at the same time. Two smaller balls under a glass container. Big thing too. Scientific America. Read it sometime. Learn something. It's a good magazine. Anyway, how long? Oh, 6 minutes. Shut up, John. Let's get going.